Hello, gardeners! Welcome back to our channel where we share the best tips and tricks for a thriving garden. Did you know that pruning zucchini can significantly improve airflow and sunlight exposure, which are essential for the health of your plants? By enhancing these factors, you can help prevent common diseases and boost the overall growth of your zucchini plants. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to prune your zucchini plants effectively, especially if you're using a trellis system. Pruning excess leaves is crucial as it allows for better air circulation around the plant. This is important because it reduces moisture levels, which in turn helps prevent fungal diseases that can harm your plants. Additionally, by removing a few larger leaves, you'll enable more sunlight to reach the fruits. This promotes even growth and helps your zucchini develop more robustly. For those of you growing zucchini on a trellis, pruning becomes even more beneficial. As the vines climb, it's important to remove crowded or overlapping leaves that may block sunlight from reaching other parts of the plant. Focus particularly on pruning leaves at the bottom of the plant and any that are shading the fruits. This ensures that the fruits receive adequate sunlight and can grow to their full potential. Keeping the vines tidy not only maximizes airflow, but also makes harvesting much easier. You'll be able to see and reach the fruits without any hassle. With just a few simple pruning adjustments, you'll notice a significant difference in the health and productivity of your zucchini plants. They'll be more vigorous and yield more fruits. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy growing, and see you in the next video.